Hello, big guys. This is another all-in-one complicated database I've developed, and I want to show you how it operates. I'll just use few seconds of your time. So let's take it that I have the file in this folder. This is the file. When I launch it, it will ask me password, and I have to click on username, type test underscore law, then the password, click OK. You are logging. It will log me in. Then the user, the home page will come. When the home page come, all this button here lead to a different form. So when I click on this button, it will open a form for me. When I click on this, it will open this one to open, this one to open. So when I click on teacher form will pop up, and it works like what I've shown you previously. When I close this one and I click on enrollment will come. When I click on teacher attendance will also pop up. When I click on school detail will also pop up. And when I click on people's attendance, it's also pop up. So I can also click on, let's say, school detail, and after I finish entering all data, these are just a placeholder showing the user the actual data it should enter. And I've put a string there where you are supposed to enter a number should be number, a text should be text. So when you click on this side, which is supposed to be head teacher's number, and you point something like a letter, let's say J, it will tell you only numbers are accepted here. The same thing when you move to where a text should be enter, and you enter a figure there, it will tell you only text is accepted in this field. So it's a string I put there just to check the user from entering any data at all. You can also extract the data with this button. You submit, update, exit, delete, search, and reset. So when you click on exit, it will ask you, are you sure you want to exit? If you say yes, it will go and the teacher attendance register will pop up. And with the teacher attendance, whilst you are entering the attendance, it will be calculating it over here. And if you exit this one, then people's attendance will also come. Okay, and when people attendance also come, as soon as you select, let's say, the circuit, let's say assignment 3, the name of school, let's say basic, or when is basic, when you select basic and you come to academic year, let's say this academic year term, you say term 1, and you pick number of weeks, let's say 18 weeks. As soon as you select level, because you pick basic there, so you have to pick basic here too. So when you select, it will ask you, are you sure this level is found in your school? If you say yes, then all this cell will be activated for you to enter figures there. So you see that I can enter whilst entering, then the system will be calculating the overall attendance, total boys and everything, to be calculating it for you. You see, whilst entering, it will be calculating. Whilst entering, it will be calculating. Whilst entering, up till you get to JHS level. So you can enter everything here. But for example, let's choose reset, and we enter that we pick the level, let's say JHS only, and he said, are you sure this level is found? You can't enter anything here except JHS column. You see that when you come here and you want to punch a number, you point 2, you see that the 2 has gone to a different side. So you need to come to the JHS side and then enter. You see, whilst entering. So all these cells are blocked because you selected JHS only. And this form submit data to 3 different databases. If you select term 1, it will submit data to term 1 database. If you select term 2, it will submit data to term 2 database. If you select term 3, it will select term 3 to term 3 database. So if you finish and you extract the data, it will populate all the data in the three database for you. That's how this one also works. So when you enter the data and you finish, you can check the total here. So that's how this one also work. So when you finish and you come to, let's say, teacher form also come, and then it also has its own user. You can export the data as well. So that's how the complicated one work. So when you move from one, you move to the other. When you exit this one, you move to the next sheet. This one also is enrollment, the same way like how the attendance work. If you select the level and you select only kg, and it asks you only kg found, only kg information can be entered. When you enter this one finish, you can't go to P1, you can't go to JHS because you selected only kg. So it will allow you to enter data for only kg. This is how this form also work. So after everything you submit, and you can also extract the data for analysis. That's how this one work. So guys, if you have any corrections or input or addition or subtraction, you can give it to me so that I'll add it up. Because I want the video to be short, that's why I'm not entering data in all the fields. So when you click here and you say exit, this is the last form. When you click on exit, and are you sure you want to edit, and you say yes, it will close the whole form. So you will not see the form again. It will close the system. That's how this one works. So thank you for your time.